In today's bike review, we're going to have a look at the 2018 Kawasaki KLX150BF. Now this bike is really suited towards the learner rider, and it's a trail bike that's probably more road orientated than trail, but is equally as good on the trail anyway. Now here are the things that you need to know about it. It comes with large wheels, a 21-inch front and an 18 rear wheel. Now this is great if you want to use a bike as a trail bike because you can put knobbies on it specifically for off-road, as it comes with a road trail tyre. It comes with disc brakes all round. The engine is a 144cc 4-stroke air-cooled engine that is absolutely bulletproof. It comes with a Kian carburetor that ensures smooth throttle response and excellent fuel economy. The headlight features a 35-watt halogen bulb. This will work well at night time when you're getting around on the roads. The front forks are upside down forks with 35mm diameter and a large 175mm travel. And for 2018, they've gone with a gold finish on the top of the fork. The rear shock's a gas shock with a 5-way adjustable preload. Of course, it comes with Unitrack suspension. The instrumentation on this bike is very simple. It comes with a speedo, odometer and a fuel gauge. It has a 5-speed transmission. It comes with hand guards, engine guards and frame guards to give it that real trail feel, and also for protection. And one of the outstanding features of the bike is it's priced right, and it has a 24-month unlimited kilometre warranty, so you can't go wrong. For the last couple of years, we've done a review on the KLX150. Now essentially the engine hasn't changed, but the looks of the bike have. And I think it looks really smart now. It's got those gold forks, a great sticker kit on it, a little bit snazzier. The other things that really stand out is the brakes. It's got disc brakes front and rear, and they're powerful enough for this engine, probably too powerful, which is a good thing when you're riding on the road because sometimes it's not your fault, it's the other driver that gets you in trouble, and this thing does stop pretty quickly once you do hit those brakes. The suspension on the 150 works fine. If you're just going trail riding, obviously you don't want to do big hits or jumps like that because it's not designed for that. But if you want to just go and have a little bit of a play in the trail out there, it certainly works very well. On the road, nice and comfortable. That's the other thing, the ergos are sitting on this bike. You sit very comfortably when you're riding around on the road. And something else that I use quite regularly on this bike, it's got a little backpack at the back of the mudguard. That's really cool for if you want to put a bag on the back, you just hockey strap it on, go down the street, get your groceries. With these summer months coming in, I'm going to keep this bike for a few more months and do exactly that. Go out, get a coffee, go down the road, maybe even drive to the beach. So to sum up the KLX150BF, I really think this bike is geared towards the learner rider that wants to do a little bit of trail riding. Of course, it might be your partner, your girlfriend that could go out trail riding with you, or an older son or daughter that might want to come trail riding with you. This bike's perfect for it. The engine's really mellow, so easy for them to learn on. The suspension is there, the brakes are there, everything is there for them to have a good time on it. If you're in the market, go out and have a look at the KLX150BF.